I'm Chelsea Chi, and I work for New Mexico EPSCoR. I'm the Diversity and Inclusion Coordinator. STEMAP is an acronym for STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math Advancement Program. We target undergraduates from primarily undergraduate institutions. We found that there aren't a lot of research experiences or opportunities that happen in those institutions, and so we wanted to create something for them. But the big thing about STEMAP is that it's just not any REU program.
In addition to like an REU summer program, the nice thing about STEMAP is it just keeps going. So we have students who attend webinars. In some cases, they can continue on with the research that they did in the summer. So I think that sets it apart from a typical REU program.
I wasn't really into education at the time, so I just started working. I worked my way up to become a journal manager for a store in Farmington. Then I finally snapped when I was like, I better go back to school before I reach 30 because it's not what I want to do until when I'm 50 years old. And I'd never done a research or anything like that, so I was like living in Socorro in the summer kind of like opened doors for me, like how it made me like get a little glimpse of university life. Winning the ACES award, that to me was like a proud moment in my career, kind of mind-blowing.
I am from Red River, New Mexico. In high school, I pretty much just fell in love with science. I knew I needed an internship before I graduated, so I was just applying to several, and I applied to that one. The support doesn't just stop after you end the program. It goes on, and then you have these people in your life that are there for you even after the program. So it's awesome. And research is probably the funnest thing I've done in college. So EPSCoR was probably one of the best opportunities and decisions I've made since being in college.